Yeah.
Are you ready? Are you getting $2 for this?
I gave $1.
Oh, okay, sweet. Are you ready for this?
Yes.
Okay. Yep.
Okay, we're gonna eat a spoon of cinnamon. Got $1. Oh my god!
We were talking about this before you.
We all know. Look at
You said your head was gonna explode. Your taste buds like explode. And then you bag.
Why did you tell me that part?
Jose!
She went in the washroom.
You know, it works if you take more.
I'm glad I came for this.
It's hilarious for the rest of us.
Oh, I need something to clean it up.
Oh wow. Dad's gonna kill us.
We like Reddit.
It's impossible to keep it in your mouth.
Jose. Jose.
What?
God let us in. How's your face doing?
You listen to me.
I can't believe you fell for that. Now you get to do it to all your friends.
You know, it's impossible to put it in your mouth because there's something in cinnamon that makes it impossible. Now try nutmeg. It'll literally kill you.
Like 10 seconds after the
Nutmeg
cinnamon.
will literally kill you.
Look at my throat.
I can't believe she actually did it. Now just eat a tube of toothpaste.
Yeah, I was watching.
I think we should end the video now.
My dad was watching.